Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So here we also have some pause in our prediction, but as we talked about this yesterday, some difference exists between the performance of the euro and gold. Euro currency already stands right there and hitting the XOP recently, so we have more reasons to suggest some retracement. While on the gold market, still on the way to the XOP target. Of course, some reasonable question exists that if both are trading in relation to the dollar, and it seems that both should have some approximately same structure of the swing. So if euro currency will start showing the pullback, gold market also, but the scale of the pullback might be different, and it also depends on what will become the reasons for the pullback, except the technical factors. So that's why on the gold market, we still think that, at least based on the technical picture, that no big retracement should happen until market will reach the XOP target. Ignoring of the XOP, for instance, starting strong pullback, especially after this rally and very strong action, it will be, well, very curious. So usually when the market shows this kind of action, it's very strong acceleration and suddenly stops reaching the major target within just a few cents right there, it's turning down unexpectedly. This always smells bad, so it could mean that some external factor is making an impact on the gold market right now. That's why, following the normal technical situation, normal market mechanics, we should get maybe some minor pullbacks on intraday charts on the way up, but market should hit the XOP and no strong pullbacks should happen until the target will be reached. Besides, currently, as you can see, that gold is not at overbought anymore on the daily chart. On the weekly, it was not at overbought. So, compared to the euro currency, by the way. So here's market has, well, chance to just keep going and hit the XOP. What is interesting is that, take a look at the XOP stands slightly above the resistance area. This is major 30% level. And it means that here we could get some spikes at some short-term action just to complete the XOP target, although this level will remain valid. So that's what we see important on the daily. On the 4-hour time frame chart, actually you can see markets keep going with our pattern. Yesterday, once again, let's take a look, we have plan here at this pattern, and retracement has completed precisely to this level. Here is also interesting dynamic. So market shows the upward direction, MACD shows downward direction. This indicates the bullish dynamic pressures that market could show acceleration right there, despite what we see on the euro currency. So currently, once again, speaking about the bearish positions, as we called already for that, we're calling again. So do not take the short position until we will not get clear bearish patterns. So the existence of the, besides market right now, not at the resistance, not at the target. So existence of the fib level and targets is really good. It's well, major background for position taking, but patterns on the intraday chart could help us a lot to consider where placing the stop and could save lots of money. Currently, as you can see, well, we could call it as a divergence maybe, but we do not see yet the clear bearish patterns. The same on the hourly chart. Nearest target based on this pattern, although I do not like this kind of the BC leg, it's almost flat. I prefer to see that the BC leg still shows the at least 30% pullback of the most tracing swing. Here's probably not even the 30%. But anyway, we do not have any other tools here. So once the XOP has been reached from the initial ABCD right there, we need to take another scale, and nearest target will be the OP around 18 even. So it's approximately the same target. As you could see, the XOP on the daily chart, also 18 even, but based on a different ABCD pattern. Here, guys, yes, the divergence once again, right, but no patterns at all. And maybe it will be some round top. If market starts forming round top, maybe it will be something that bears could consider. But at this point, I think that market is not ready yet. The situation and context is not ready yet for taking the short position. For the bulls, as I said yesterday, so you could try to take the minor retracements if you would like to, and keep the position until market hits the 18 even area. So that's actually what we have for the gold market.